Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of becoming a millionaire even on a low salary? Well, you're in the right place because in today's video, we're going to show you how to make your financial dreams a reality. I'm going to share with you 3 incredible strategies to build your wealth, even if you're earning a modest salary. And the best part, these methods are all about generating passive income. So you can start building your wealth while you sleep. Let's dive into these life-changing strategies. Number 1. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most popular and profitable platforms on the internet, with over 2 billion users and billions of hours of video watched every day. According to Forbes, the highest-paid YouTube stars of 2021 earned a combined $300 million, with Mr. Beast topping the list with $54 million. But you don't need to have millions of subscribers or views to make money on YouTube. There are many ways to monetize your videos and generate income from different sources, such as ads, sponsorships, memberships, merchandise, and more. Imagine being able to create videos about topics that you are passionate about and getting paid for doing what you love. Imagine having the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world and set your own schedule. Imagine having a loyal and engaged audience that supports you and values your content. Imagine being able to make a positive impact on people's lives and inspire them with your message. This is the dream of many aspiring YouTubers, and it can be yours too. Let's discuss why YouTube is such an attractive platform for aspiring millionaires. First, YouTube has over 2 billion logged-in monthly users. That's a massive audience waiting to discover your content. Second, YouTube offers various income streams, including ad revenue, brand deals, merchandise sales, and more. It's not just a platform, it's an ecosystem for entrepreneurs. Many successful YouTubers started with a simple desire to share their passion and expertise. Whether it's cooking, gaming, beauty, or travel, there's an audience for almost anything. YouTube allows you to turn your passion into a lucrative career. Imagine doing what you love every day and earning millions while at it. So, how can you take action and start your journey to becoming a YouTube millionaire? Here are some actionable steps to get you started. Find your niche. Identify what you're passionate about and what you can offer to your audience that's unique. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment, improve your video editing skills, and provide value to your viewers. Consistency is key. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Build a community. And make your viewers feel appreciated. Monetize your channel. Once you have a substantial following, explore multiple revenue streams, such as ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Invest in growth. Reinvest your earnings into improving your content and reaching a broader audience. Number 2. Start a blog. You might wonder, can blogging really make you a millionaire? The answer is a resounding yes. Blogging has transformed the lives of countless individuals, turning their hobbies and interests into thriving businesses. In fact, there are many examples of successful bloggers who have made millions of dollars from their blogs, such as Pat Flynn, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, and John Morrow. But how did they do it? And more importantly, how can you do it too? That's what I'm going to reveal in this video. So stay tuned. First of all, let me ask you a question. Why do you want to start a blog? Is it because you have a passion for writing, sharing your knowledge, or helping others? Or is it because you want to make money online, quit your job, or achieve financial freedom? Whatever your reason is, I'm here to tell you that you can achieve it with blogging. Blogging is one of the most powerful and profitable ways to make money online. Now, let's delve into why blogging is a game changer for aspiring millionaires. Low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses, starting a blog requires minimal investment. You only need a domain, hosting, and your dedication. Passive income potential. Blogging allows you to generate passive income through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenue. Once your content is up, it can keep earning for years. Niche expertise. Share your passion and knowledge with the world. Your unique insights can attract a dedicated audience. Flexible lifestyle. Blogging offers the freedom to work from anywhere, setting your own schedule and priorities. You see, blogging is not just about writing articles and posting them on your website. It's about creating value for your audience, solving their problems, and building trust and authority in your niche. And when you do that, you can monetize your blog in multiple ways, such as selling your own products or services, creating and selling online courses, offering coaching or consulting services, selling ebooks or other digital products, displaying ads on your blog, becoming an affiliate marketer, writing sponsored posts or reviews, and many more. The best part is that you don't need any special skills or qualifications to start a blog. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn and work hard. You can start a blog in less than 20 minutes with just a few simple steps. Pick a blog name that reflects your topic and audience. Get your blog online by registering your domain name and getting hosting. Customize your blog by choosing a design template and tweaking it. Write and publish your first post that provides value to your readers. Promote your blog by using social media, email marketing, SEO, and other strategies. Make money from your blog by choosing one or more monetization methods. Number 3. Write a book. Did you know that many self-made millionaires and even billionaires have attributed their success to writing a book? That's right. Think about J.K. Rowling, Stephen King, and Tony Robbins. They all started as aspiring authors before amassing incredible wealth. So if you've ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom, this video is for you. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how writing a book can make you a millionaire. Point 1. Passive income. First and foremost, a book can provide you with a source of passive income. Once you've written and published your book, it can continue to generate royalties for years to come, providing a steady stream of income that can grow over time. Point 2. Expert status. Secondly, writing a book establishes you as an expert in your field. This can open doors to lucrative opportunities like speaking engagements, consulting, and partnerships. People are more likely to trust and pay for the advice of a published author. Point 3. Multiple revenue streams. Thirdly, a book can serve as a launching pad for multiple revenue streams. You can create online courses, coaching programs, merchandise, and even turn your book into a movie or a TV series. The possibilities are endless. Now that you're excited about the potential, let's talk about how you can start writing your own millionaire-making book. Point 1. Find your passion. First, identify your passion or expertise. What topic do you know inside and out? What can you talk about for hours without getting bored? Your passion will fuel your writing and keep you motivated throughout the process. Point 2. Create a writing plan. Next, create a writing plan. Set clear goals and deadlines. Whether you choose to write a novel, a self-help book, or a memoir, having a plan will keep you on track. Point 3. Writing tools and resources. Utilize writing tools and resources. There are plenty of writing software, workshops, and writing communities that can provide the support and guidance you need to write a compelling book. So, what's your next step? Start writing your book today. Take that first step towards becoming a millionaire through your words. Point 1. Publish and promote. Once your book is ready, publish it. You can choose traditional publishing or self-publishing. Publish the book on various platforms. Don't limit yourself to one platform or format. Publish your book on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, CreateSpace, iBooks, Barnes & Noble Press, Kobo, Ingram Spark, Smashwords, or your own website. Offer different versions of your book, such as paperback, hardcover, ebook, and audiobook. This will help you reach more readers and generate more income. Regardless of your path, market the book effectively. Writing and publishing a book is not enough. You need to promote it and get it in front of your ideal readers. Use various marketing strategies, such as social media, email list, blog tour, podcast interview, book launch event, giveaway contest, paid ads, etc. Build relationships with your fans and followers and encourage them to leave reviews and ratings for your book. Leverage word-of-mouth marketing and referrals to grow your audience and sales. Point 2. Build your brand. While you're at it, build your personal brand. Your book is just one piece of the puzzle. Create a strong online presence and engage with your audience. Remember, the journey from writing a book to becoming a millionaire may not happen overnight. But with dedication, perseverance, and a well-executed plan, it's entirely possible.